food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a flavorful trip to the heart of Northern Nigeria to learn how to make Kunun Gyada, a creamy, rich and nourishing groundnut rice porridge that's perfect for you and great for weight gain. It requires just 2 ingredients and it's so easy to make. This video was requested by one of my lovely subscribers, so here it is. Let's get started. For this recipe, you need some groundnuts. This is 1 cup, and some white short grain rice. This rice is used mainly for tuwon shinkafa and masa, also called waina. You're going to soak the groundnut and the rice for an hour. So after 1 hour, it's all soaked up and all soft. So it will be easier to take out the skin just like this. Removing the skin is quite optional because you're going to sieve it anyways. But I'm making this in small quantity so it's easier to take out the skin. But if you're making it in large quantity, you can decide to skip the process. If you don't mind the color, you can go ahead and blend it with the skin on, but you still have to soak it first before blending. So here we have the groundnuts all cleaned, and this is the rice all washed and clean. Next is we are going to blend it. So transfer to your blender and add some water and blend. You're going to blend it till very smooth. So after blending, you're going to use your cheesecloth or use your sieve and sieve. So go ahead and squeeze out and extract all the milk. After extracting the milk from the groundnuts, we're going to add the rice to the blender, add some water and blend very well. If you like to see some bits of rice in your groundnut and rice pudding, you can decide to not sieve it. So this is it after sieving. Next, place your pot on the stove and pour in the groundnut milk in first. You're going to cook this properly on low heat till it starts to boil. Please don't leave the pot while it boils. You can decide to cover this, but you need to keep a watchful eye on this. As soon as it looks like it's about to start boiling, you take off the cover, because if you let it to start boiling, it's going to foam up real fast and you might lose half of your groundnut milk. So please watch closely. As you can see, guys, it's starting to foam up. If I had left it to foam up, it's going to foam up to the top and it's going to spill out. You go in with your rice and then you're going to stir. Keep stirring. You need to stir immediately after adding your rice so that it won't get lumpy. If it's too thick, feel free to loosen it up by adding in some more water. Add water to your taste. If you like it very thick, you can decide to leave it like that. But if you prefer it a bit runny, you can add some more water. You're going to let it cook for a bit more, for a few more minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Because of the rice, you want it to cook properly. At this point, you can decide to add some lemon juice, maybe a few tablespoons of lemon juice. It gives it that tangy taste, but I don't really like the tangy taste, so I'm going to skip the lemon juice. And guys, it's all ready now. I'll take it off heat and serve. You can serve this with some date syrup, you can use sugar, or you can use some honey, whichever one you prefer. You can give this to your baby 6 months and above, and if your baby is a very lean baby and you want your baby to add some weight, please go for this. To my beautiful subscriber Con Handmade that requested this video, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.